My name is Lan On, owner of YouTube channel Lan On Handmade. I live in Vietnam, a country in Southeast Asia. Ever since I was a child, I have enjoyed making crafts. My family doesn't have anyone in the arts, so I do it just for fun and to give to relatives and friends. Growing up, I majored in biotechnology. It had nothing to do with my childhood interests. Going to school, going to work, I don't have time to make those little gifts anymore. In 2011, after I got married and was about to welcome my first son, I felt that my current job was no longer suitable. I happened to see samples of jewelry made from copper wire combined with clay. I was very impressed with them and I tried it. The first products reminded me of my childhood passions, so I decided to make and sell this product line. In 2016, after one time in business, a lot of people wanted me to teach them, so I chose to do a tutorial on YouTube. I started with videos where I filmed my process of making products to sell. I am very happy to be well received and loved by many people in many countries around the world. After more than 3 months, my channel has 100 videos. But I had an unexpected problem. My channel was locked for unknown reasons. I was about to give up, but received a lot of encouragement from many people from far away. They thanked me for my videos are very helpful for them. At that time, I realized that my mission was to use the abilities and skills that I had to pass on to those who needed them. On November 3, 2016, I officially opened a new channel and started over with all my enthusiasm and passion for wire art. I always read all the comments, trying to help everyone in my power. Currently, I am very happy when I can do a job I love every day, can inspire positive energy as well as skills for many people in the world. Besides, it also gives me amount of money. The income helps me to make ends meet, just as I have time to take care of my 2 young sons. I am always learning, improving myself, perfecting videos in many different languages, developing on many other social networks. I hope my work can reach more people and everyone on the world can understand my video. To give people who need me a chance to discover themselves, or help them with a business opportunity, or simply entertain them while they watch my videos. I am very happy and find my life meaningful when I can contribute a small part to make the lives of others better. I also want to show everyone that there is a hidden potential in each person. When you realize it, try to develop it with passion, enthusiasm and perseverance, you will receive the deserved reward. It's never too late to start. You can start with the familiar, simple things around you. When you think hard and really start, you have 50% of success. If you want to do it, start right now.